Oh, something about keep them safe if they get too close. Look at that. It's white tip, butterfly. Who's the other one? And why? Huh? Oh my God, I can't believe the original white tip is back. No, there she is. Oh, there's a bunch of them here. Why are you guys here already? Whoa. You hear the squawk? As soon as the blue jay squawks, they all leave. It's like y'all scared of that little ass blue jay. I gotta put food in there anyway. There ain't no food in there, just scraps.